And we are back. Okay, so this is going to be a very quick video here, but I did want to just point out the differentiation of clients within SmartLead. Okay, so SmartLead does not cost you to have a client um, in the platform. They do start charging you for additional clients. Okay, I think it's 29 bucks for an additional client. If you have a customer that really wants to see your work, but you don't like to work on outside systems, this is a perfect answer. And 29 bucks, I'll gladly throw it your way. Okay, so what can you do here? Obviously, we have the name, we have the company name. The portal preview, I haven't seen work yet on the tool, but let's give it a little break. We got a password in there. Now, assign permissions. This is the money part right here, everybody. Um, we can only allow him to see things that are related to this company here. Okay, so this company here is tied in with remember the colored categories for the different email seats. So we're assigning him to his block of email addresses, right? Through the name, through the label. Okay. Now, you can also do this, which I think is a little bit on the suspect side, but hey, cheers to them. You can exclude from view. Well, you guys could read that, and I think everybody's mind goes to the same place there. But let's just drop that there. Okay, so set email and leads credits. That I haven't dove into yet, so we're actually going to leave that for now. Oh, you know what? Sorry. This just means, can they see and use our credits? So the answer there is obviously going to be no. Okay, cool. Short one there, but let's keep moving here.